Let's continue. Animals from food to ATP. Animals are heterotrophs, meaning they must consume other organisms, plants or other animals, to obtain the nutrients they need. Their cells lack chloroplast and cannot perform photosynthesis. Nutrient acquisition. Animals acquire nutrients by eating. Their digestive systems break down complex food molecules like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into simpler subunits. For example, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose. These simple molecules are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to individual cells throughout the body. Energy conversion. Once inside the cells, the glucose and oxygen from the air are used in cellular respiration to produce energy. The process takes place primarily in the mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell. Glycolysis. The process begins in the cytoplasm with glycolysis, where a glucose molecule is split into two pyruvate molecules, producing a small amount of ATP. Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. The pyruvate then enters the mitochondria, where it goes through the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain, which is the oxidative phosphorylation. These stages are far more efficient, producing a large amount of ATP. Oxygen is essential for these stages. The overall reaction for cellular respiration is 1 mole of glucose reacted with 6 moles of oxygen to produce 6 moles of carbon dioxide, 6 moles of water, and ATP. The energy stored in the ATP molecules is then used to power all of the cell's activities such as muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and building new molecules. The interconnected cycle of life. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are complementary processes that form a vital cycle. The products of one process are the reactants for the other, creating continuous flow of energy and matter in the biosphere. Plants take in the carbon dioxide exhaled by animals and the water and sunlight from their environment to produce glucose and oxygen. Animals consume the glucose either directly from plants or indirectly from other animals and inhale the oxygen released by plants. Animals then use these reactants to perform cellular respiration, releasing carbon dioxide and water as byproducts, which plants can then use for photosynthesis. photosynthesis. This elegant cycle highlights the fundamental interdependence between plants and animals for the sustainability of life on Earth. MCQ for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson Roman numeral number 3, Cellular Energy, how plants and animals converts nutrients into life-sustaining energy. Which organelle is primarily responsible for producing energy in animal cells? Letter A, nucleus. Letter B, mitochondria. Letter C, chloroplast. Letter D, endoplasmic reticulum. MCQ number 2. In plants, the initial step in capturing energy from sunlight occurs in the A. Stroma, B. Mitochondria, C. Chloroplast, letter D. Ribosomes. MCQ number 3. What molecule is considered the main energy of the cell? Letter A, DNA. Letter B, ATP. Letter C, RNA. Letter D, glucose. Number 4. The process by which plants, animals, convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose using sunlight is called A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Fermentation, D. Digestion. MCQ number 5. In animals, glucose is broken down during cellular respiration to produce letter A, ATP, letter B, oxygen, letter C, water only, letter D, sunlight. MCQ number 6. Which cellular process releases energy by breaking down glucose in the absence of oxygen? Letter A, aerobic respiration. Letter B, photosynthesis. Letter C, fermentation. Letter D, protein synthesis. Number 7. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Letter A, carbon dioxide. Letter B, oxygen. Letter C, nitrogen. Letter D, hydrogen. Number 8. Which stage of cellular respiration produces the most ATP? Letter A, glycolysis. Letter B, Krebs cycle. Letter C, electron transport chain. Letter D, fermentation. Number 9. Where does glycolysis occur in the cell? Letter A, mitochondria. Letter B, cytoplasm. Letter C, nucleus. Letter D, ribosome. Number 10. Which of the following is a product of the Krebs cycle? Letter A, oxygen. Letter B, ATP and ADH and carbon dioxide. Letter C, glucose. Letter D, water only. MCQ number 11. What is the primary purpose of photosynthesis in plants? Letter A. Produce oxygen for animals. Letter B. Generate glucose for energy storage. Letter C. Break down food. Letter D. Absorb water. MCQ number 12. Which molecule acts as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain during aerobic respiration? Letter A, carbon dioxide. Letter B, oxygen. Letter C, NADH. And letter D, ATP. MCQ number 13. In plants, the light-dependent reactions takes place in the A. Stroma. Letter B. Thylakoid membrane. Letter C. Cytoplasm. Letter D. Mitochondria. MCQ number 14. The Calvin cycle is also known as A. Light-dependent reactions, B. Dark reactions, C. Krebs cycle, D. Glycolysis. MCQ number 15. Which occurs in both plants and animals to release stored energy from glucose. Letter A, photosynthesis. Letter B, cellular respiration. Letter C, fermentation. Letter D, protein synthesis. MCQ number 16. The breaking down of glucose into pyruvate is known as A. Electron transport, B. Glycolysis, C. Photosynthesis, or D. Chemiosmosis. MCQ number 17. Which of the following best describes ATP? Letter A, a storage molecule for genetic information. Letter B, molecule that provides immediate energy for cellular processes. Letter C, a structural component of membrane. And letter D, a waste product of respiration. We will have the next part of our quarter 3 biology lesson 3.